There are only a few truly wireless earphones worth buying right now, and the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless is one of them. At $300, they're more expensive than Apple's AirPods or Jabra's True Wireless earphones, with significantly better bass and cleaner, more detailed sound. They also feature very good performance for making calls, and they fit my ears comfortably, though they're bigger than the Jabras and stick out a little more. While the earphones have no physical buttons on them, they're equipped with a touch control scheme that works pretty well once you figure out exactly what it is. It's a good idea to run through the help tutorial in the companion Sennheiser Smart Control app for iOS and Android. It shows you the various taps or taps and holds for controlling track, volume, answering and ending calls, and accessing your phone's voice assistant. Other settings, including an EQ option that lets you tweak the sound profile, as well as a transparency mode that lets ambient sound in and slightly amplifies it, can be accessed from the app. With another setting, you can have your music pause automatically when you pull one of the earbuds out of your ears. Battery life is rated at 4 hours. That's a little less than the AirPods and Jabras, both of which are rated at 5 hours. Like those models, this Sennheiser comes with a charging case that has a built-in battery that delivers 2 additional charges. While the case isn't as small as the AirPods and Jabra's case, it's nice looking, and the buds adhere to their charging slots magnetically. I also appreciated that the case charges via USB-C, and the earphones are equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 technology. New York City, with all its conflicting wireless signals, can be notoriously difficult on totally wireless earphones. In my testing, however, I experienced only minimal dropouts and a few pairing snafus. I thought wireless performance was generally quite good, right there with the AirPods and Jabras. All that said, at the end of the day, what sets these earphones apart from the competition is their sound quality. You'll immediately notice that these have a more open, rich sound with tighter, meatier bass than both the Jabras and the AirPods. They also sound better than Bose's SoundSport free earphones. It's the kind of sound you expect from premium headphones, and this is the first true wireless headphone I've tested that I didn't feel like I was sacrificing a bit of sound quality in exchange for totally cutting the cord. Alas, you'll have to pay extra for that extra good sound, but for some, it'll be worth it. I'm David Carna for CNET.com.